Yeah, avoid shiny object syndrome. Nobody's your father. You don't have to impress anybody. Impress yourself first. And yeah, that's it. That's what I have to say, honestly. See, I don't know a lot of things, but I know how to make money. You get. And to me, trading has one of the fastest vehicles. Right? So once I make money from trading, next thing is to get the money pregnant. That money has to make me more money. So I and my friend, shout out to Benjamin, and you guys should look for him as well. The sharp guy is one of the baddest stock analysts I know. So we diversify. So we put money in assets, different asset classes, be it crypto, be it stock, even ventures self. Like sometimes it's good to buy into starting businesses, already existing businesses, buy assets. Honestly, my own personal, I feel like you can never truly be wealthy until you can define wealth for yourself, right? And to me, my definition of wealth is when I can comfortably live off the interests of my interests. So anything I'm making now is capital. Well, this is the current balance.
Oh my god.
Yeah, okay, see it. Don't worry. There's been real life withdrawals. It's not demo. It's not play.
This is real money.
It's AI generated images.
Oh my god.
How about you guys? This is about money. Hello guys, welcome to your Forex podcast with Institute on Society. We will care about your mental health, love life, and money life.
Money.
Yeah, so today we're talking about money. We have a financial expert with us today.
Yeah.
This guy is not just a financial mentor, he's a life mentor. I mean, this guy he's a boss. He's him.
Who's that guy?
So I don't know if I should introduce him or let him introduce himself.
Let him just introduce himself.
Okay. No, wait, no. Before that, because I feel like if I introduce him, I'm going to overglaze him. But like, just know that his name is Mr. Lahu.
Mr. Lahu.
Keep that in mind, guys. This is
Mr. Lahu.
Bro.
Shout out to my father. He's original Mr. Lahu, but thank God. My name is Jeremiah. Jeremiah Lahu. I'm a private investor and a philanthropist. Yeah, but people call me Mr. Lahu. Most people know me as Mr. Lahu. Happy to be on set.
That's beautiful. So he said that he's a philanthropist. So Mr. Lahu, please.
He's going to invest in it. Don't worry now.
Help our podcast now. But like, as your philanthropy journey, has it begun?
It's
what would you say?
It's literally just starting.
Just starting.
Yeah, I mean that's what I want to put myself forward as. You know, I want Mr. Lahu to be. That's what I want my brand to be. Giving. So yeah, so I've always had it. Honestly, I don't know. I'm a humanitarian, I guess.
Okay, then that's calm.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll be asking you a few questions today.
Yeah.
I don't know if you'll be fine with, because we have some very challenging questions for you today.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so you can take it. You can take it.
We'll see.
All right. All right. So Mitch, go ahead.
Okay, let's clear the air. Is there have anybody accused you of being a Yahoo?
Yeah, good number of times.
I can
Good
understand.
number of times. So a few times. One happened recently, to be very honest. My friend and I, Benjamin, we were thrifting at this market, and the funniest thing happened. So we're buying stuff. We're buying a lot of stuff. Especially me, like I was buying stuff, I'll buy. So this guy came up to us and he was like, "Senior man, we've been observing you people." I said, and I was like, normally we wait for you guys to go and then we'll rob you. But I just said, let me come and meet you. You get. So I beg, just do us the least. And my guy is like, like, see the way I'm dressed. Because he was wearing shorts now. And he was like, see the way I'm dressed. He was like, yeah, that's fine, but this your guy. This guy na Yahoo boy. We've been watching. All that time it was police self. Like I was in the ride with my friends. We're going out. They stopped us. Two of us calm down. I didn't check my phone, sure. Not like I'm a Yahoo boy, but like, you know, to see trader.
I think you're a Yahoo boy.
I'm even my mother. Like the first time I credited her, she had suspicions, but
when I do credit my mom, she would. One thing stood out for me, Sha, the fact that normally he said they would observe, then rob. It seemed like the money was too much. They had to come to him. Like, man, say, like,
I guess. You thank God.
Yeah. So, any other questions?
No cap. How much have you lost in a day? In this Forex?
A lot.
Like,
A lot. Are we talking percentages or figures?
So we're talking figures.
More. I've lost a lot. I've lost up to 4K. I've lost 6K.
The thing about 4K, 6K, you have to specify. Are we talking in naira? We're talking about in dollars
No.
or pounds.
$8 now.
Oh my gosh. You just said $60 like that.
I've lost 6K. I've lost up to 4K. I've lost. Look at this now. This was one heavy hit.
Oh my
I take one period. This is about 12K. 12K loss.
Let me open my calculator and convert.
Guy, do you really want to do that?
That's about 30 million currently now.
13. It's more than now. $10,000
Yes,
is
more
like
than.
16.
Yeah, it's $10,000. It's like, yeah, so it's more than. Wow, that's actually crazy. So like, but like, okay, how long did the money last?
Money you have made.
Still there now.
No, I don't mean the money you made. Like, how long did the money last before you like lost it? And like, how did the
It
loss
was
affect
one
you?
trade. It was one afternoon.
Just one trade.
It was like open trade. I opened positions. Just.
Oh my God.
Okay.
It was NFA. I don't trade news anymore, Sha.
That's cool. Okay, I heard that trading news is crazy.
It's crazy.
It's like
it could make you, it could break you.
So what's your biggest loss in Forex? Or what losses have made you question your life decisions?
Okay, that one loss. It's not in terms of amounts per se, but it was my school fees. It's like half of my, because back then when I was in uni. Okay, so I was a private uni, so the tuition wasn't small. Right, so they'll let you pay 50%, then pay the remaining 50%. 50% of my school fees. In parts, at first I was putting it small, lose it, and I just put the rest, lost it.
Beautiful.
That was when I questioned my life. And this guy, you can't call your parents and tell them, I'm gonna use your school fees.
So what did you do in that case scenario? Yeah.
I learned the craft. Let's be very honest. Okay,
that time you didn't really like know how to trade.
Last time I was just seeing people making money. I'll put money. If you go up, I'll press buy. If it's going down, I'll press sell.
Oh God.
You get like no. And then there was fear, there was greed, there was a lot to hit. So after that time, and I asked my guy for money again. I was like, half, just give me. At that time, I was using this broker. Their minimum deposit was like 30K. Was it $30? I can't remember. I told him to lend me the money that I'll make it back. I would have obviously lost it. Now he told me, no, I'll not give you lose it. So he put me on to this site, Baby Pips. I didn't really do much for me, Sha, but it got me started. So I started to learn. Like, people will not believe that I learned on my own, but I learned on my own, funny enough. So around that time, it was me and my roommate Benjamin that even started together, but I put more interest in it than him. Because I actually had, I lost my school fees, I had to make it back.
Yeah.
That's something at stake now. So I opened this small Telegram group, me, Benjamin, and some of our friends, because we're like, okay, see update too. At least let's do this, let's be making small money.
Yeah.
Next thing, my friends were bringing their friends. And I'll send trade. They'll take trade. They'll make money. I don't have money to trade. So I just said, okay, you know what? VIP channel.
Oh my God.
Subscription is $10 per month. Like 14 people paid $140. That was my first actual capital when I actually started learning to trade. From the VIP group. Like I'll send trade. Me, I'll take it on demo account.
Yeah.
People are making actual money on top waiting. I did a VIP group now. So yeah, made some money off of that. And this money I make, I'll put it back in one of my accounts I wasn't touching. Till I made back my school fees money, I paid it instantly. My parents have seen this. For now, you know now.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's crazy. So from what you said now, something stood out again. The fact that you created a VIP channel to hustle.
Yeah.
So do you think most of these Forex traders actually use this bar as a means of making your money instead of the actual trading itself?
Yes, now.
That's a good question.
What's the topic again? Is Forex the new Yahoo?
Yeah.
Yes, Forex is the new Yahoo. It's never new. It has been the old Yahoo. See, a lot of the things that people push in the Forex space has nothing to do with trading. There's people that will open channels and copy other people's trades and just post it. And you're paying them for VIP. There's this academy. I don't think I should. It's a good academy, yeah, but the people working for them, because they had a lot of affiliates. And these affiliates will come to you as self-proclaimed mentors and coaches, and they'll be advertising. I had this channel I was running around with my friends, Victor.
Yeah.
We found out like these 2 or 3 babes from this academy. They were actively selling our signals to people. And what was funny was that we made that channel and we're giving out the signals for free.
They were selling it.
Like we had like over 600 people on that channel. We're giving signals for free. These people just copy it and they will sell it to other people.
That's crazy.
She gets.
That's crazy.
There's mentors that you pay for mentorship, they'll block you.
Oh my God.
So yes, Forex is the new Yahoo. But there's people that are actually doing good work out there. There's people I respect. Yeah.
That's crazy. Have you ever feel like you're gambling? Like, have anybody say, okay, Forex is gambling?
People have said it, and it is true.
Can you explain, like, the thing I'm saying gambling and Forex?
Trading is more educative. It is gambling. The market is one whole big casino because you don't know what to expect. Everybody there wants to take your money because you're trading a market that banks are trading, governments are trading, like big players are pushing billions into the markets are trading. The only thing you can do is react, right? Is to observe and react. And no matter how good you think your strategy is, it's not going to work 100% of the time. So you're just counting on the few times that it does work. And then with your risk involved, okay, how much you actually... So it is, yeah, we are gambling to an extent. It's just educated.
Sporty bets and trading are also different.
No, they're not. They're different too. So my player can just catch hamstring or muscle pull. And I cannot account for that. With trading, I can account for, okay, this is probably a trap. You'll probably be a liquidity sweep here. This one, that one. And you know that if this happens, at least I'm willing to lose this much money.
So you say trading is more secure than betting?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
All right. So, can you... No, not yet. Not yet. Let me just look for another... Okay. So now, what we advise somebody that wants to start Forex with 20K? That's his last
We
money.
have 10K if you want.
That's his last money.
It's the money.
My last 10K.
It's the money. You can't start trading with 10K.
But like, there's this guy that I knew. I don't know how true, but I know a friend that like is his brother or something. He started Forex. He started learning on YouTube and everything. Then like I think he had like $2 or something, right? Mm-hmm. Had some money, he put into trading. And in a week he made 90.
It's very possible now. It happens. But that's not something you can do when you just start.
That was his first time trading ever.
I swear. Oh, then it's just dumb luck.
Just luck.
Wow. Crazy. But on a normal, because like almost every trader I've spoken to, they always say one thing. One thing is very significant with them. They always say that you must blow an account before you start making money. Mm-hmm. So like, what's your take on that? Like it's very legit. You must blow an account.
Just think of all the money you're losing as school fees.
Oh my God.
That's how you learn.
Because guess what? I gave that guy some money for me. That guy that made that $2 to $90.
And you lost as well?
Yeah, he blew my account.
I sound that now. Sometimes with trading, trading will teach you who you are because it's more than just managing the funds. You learn yourself as a person. You get so you have the best edge in the world. It's no such thing, but let's say you have the best edge in the world. You still have yourself to deal with. If you're a greedy person, if you're a scared person, because you will not enter a trade and expect that from the beginning of that trade to the end, it's just going to go where you want to do. There'll be some things that will shake you. Can you open your MetaTrader or your Bloomberg terminal or whatever it is you use to trade and you see minus? So you're seeing red and you still have faith that, okay, this my analysis was correct. I will hold it to the out of fear. You might close in loss and then it's now still go your direction. So after learning the trading itself, you will learn yourself and then you learn to manage risk. You learn to, okay, you know what? I took this trade. I'm going to allow it to hit the end or go to my profits no matter what happens. That's something that takes people time to learn. So when you're hearing people that took 2 years, 5 years to learn to trade, sometimes it's not even the skill they're mastering, it's themselves. Because you don't really need to take that one. How long was it since I started trading? Like, I started trading till now, it's been a year plus. Funny enough.
And you've come this far?
Barely 2 years. See, avoid shiny object syndrome.
Oh.
Once you start trading, you're learning this strategy. You hear, this one works better. You abandon, you move. Shiny object syndrome. Or you're seeing this trader. You're not going to account for the fact that this guy has like 4 years of experience. So someone like only one Chooks, for example. Shout out to Chooks. I learned a lot from him as well. Somebody that will casually turn $10 to 10K. And you now want to do it to shiny object syndrome. You know?
You did $10 to 10K those.
Check his Twitter now. You see 500 to 50K. All this casually, like on a normal day.
You just did it casually.
I was learning how to trade this trade though.
See, that's another thing. Shiny object syndrome. Don't worry. It's a teach you. You learn. You learn as you trade.
So like, what kind of strategies are there in trading?
Yeah.
There's a lot too. I'm going to make one thing clear. Every strategy works before you start thinking too far. Every strategy works with the right
So you have to find what
risk
works
to
for you.
reward. Yeah, you have to find what works for you, right? With a win rate of 30%, you only need a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. That means,
True.
yeah, with a win rate of 30%, you only need to win. Okay, what am I saying? With a risk reward ratio of 1 to 3, rather, you can profitable with a win rate of only 30, I guess. Let me see. Because if you take 10 trades, yeah, out of 7, you lose them. The remaining 3, you make 3%, 3%, 3%. It's going to cover. Your total P&L will be 2% profit. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
It's like, it's good strategy paired with good risk management. Even gambling works. Even like, there's people that just enter and press anywhere it's going. And they will lose, they will make money. It depends. Well, find what works for
I
you
saw
and
one
stick
video.
to it.
Nigga had like $1,800.
Yeah.
Then he just entered. Just a bang, 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 bang,
Oh
bang,
my
bang.
God.
It was going in his favor at first, though. Everything else went down. And he lost everything down to zero.
Yeah, what risk management now?
Yeah.
Can you explain to our listeners, like, what's Forex in simplest term? What's Forex? People that are like, oh my God, Forex is big.
Forex, foreign exchange. It's basically exchanging one asset for the other. So today you go to your malam to go and buy dollar. You give him naira. He tells you his rate is 1.7. You give him 1.7, he gives you $1. Forex. You exchange. That's what governments do. That's what industries do. That's what banks do. And that's what keeps the economy afloat. It's anybody that said they don't believe in Forex. You basically say you don't believe in the economy.
Let's go. So while you're in university, did you ever like lose money during class, during
Like
lectures?
something that would just
I
Let's
guess
say,
now.
they'll make you
like,
shout.
See, my school had the worst network ever. There's this friend of mine, he's also a trader, he's a crypto trader, but he dabbles in Forex and I trade gold mostly. Shout out to Yahaya. See, we were in my room together, we were trading gold. And these positions were moving in profits. Yeah. I think because I was ready to lose like the entire account. I was trying to flip. It was $30. I wanted to flip. I wanted to see where I could flip it to. So there was no stop loss. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't go, do you get? So it was reading total P&L of about $200 and something. Do you get? So you can do this bulk operation where you just close everything.
yeah.
That's what I was saying. What's that thing that MT5 shows? I can't even remember. That's our Bingham network. Yeah, Ayatu was trying to close, nothing closed. We just saw 0 bars, turn airplane mode, turned it off. By the time all the trades had closed, he closed them out at like $35 profits. And I would have closed at like 200 plus. Yeah, I've closed. I've also lost in class. I've sent trade to my guy because of network. The trade went after how many hours? He now entered the trade and lost money.
My God.
So it happens. It happens.
Yeah, I had a very bad experience with trading, though. See,
We all have. It's like that at the beginning.
Not our money.
This holiday, there was this trade. He sends that stuff like 2 hours before. I casually entered the group chat and I saw it and I was like, this trade is they've dropped trade. What am I doing? I went to Meta. I just placed everything. And I went back to the app.
Yeah.
Guess what I saw? Time was 11. I saw 8:20.
Oh my.
I just laughed in sadness and sorrow. And I went back and I saw minus.
You can't sleep, man. Just sleep and wake
there was
up.
even this time, but I like opened the trade and like I left it. No stop loss, nothing. And I slept. I slept up.
Oh my God.
I slept in profit. I woke up in dangerous loss.
Oh God.
Like,
losses are part of it. I've lost my money. I've lost people's money.
How do you do with losing people money? Do you have a story, Aspira?
most traders don't accept portfolio management, but like, I've noticed that you're particular on rejecting management, and I'm sure it's because of bad.
Well, like funny enough, now that's even what I do mostly. Okay, I'm going to tell you my bad experience. But with losing investors' money is very controlled. Now the way I do it is we have an agreement. There's a maximum drawdown I can reach. So let's say you agree that okay, but once I lose 40% of your account, we stop there. So it's very controlled. So the worst experience I ever had with a client at the time, it was one of my early stages. I think that was the first channel community I ran. So people gave me money, right? So all the money I was managing together was about 3K. this particular girl, her money inside was $400. So I made profits on her account. But it wasn't yet time to withdraw, but she needed the money for something. So I was like, okay, I'll withdraw. So I tried doing withdrawal through crypto. I didn't used to use Bybits like that before. I used this wallet. It's no advertisements, but shout out to Yellow Card. Yeah, it's like you don't have to do P2P. You buy coins on the site, you sell on the site, you transfer. So yeah. But anyways, so I was in Bybit at the time and I tried to receive money. One thing led to another. My money couldn't come on time. This babe threatened me. I even lost weight. This babe threatened me that I'm a fraudster. I've run with her money. What did I not do? I gave 50% discount on my VIP channel. I did this one, I did that one. Just at the end of the day, I just ended up having to borrow money from my friend. I traded it up and I made the rest and I gave it back to her. So that was when I decided to stop collecting people's money. Now what I do is just fund your account and I hook it up to a copy trader. I'll just maybe change some settings, lot size and other things to, meet up with your equity.
Yeah.
So whatever trades I take, they reflect on your accounts. That's how I do it now. But I don't manage assets under.
Nice. That's calm.
I wonder what counts as advertising, or because another thing is to legally manage funds in Nigeria, you have to be SEC licensed, which I'm not. So I can't advertise and I can't do this.
So like saying this now on this podcast, what if a reel comes out and then like this is safe grounds. All right.
This is safe grounds. My work is strictly by referral and it's contractual. But I can't advertise. So like what are the limits of advertising? What can I say or not say? So I think I'll just stop like this.
Okay, how do you balance like school and Forex? Does your beep say?
See, people have their solutions to balancing. Me, school had to rest.
Oh my God.
To be very honest, school rested. School had to rest. Like school was nothing like a waste of time. You could talk to my roommates. And my department was making it easy at the time. I'm not going to call anything. I'm not going to say anything. But like we hardly had classes. So like, am I studying or am I not just having classes? I was hardly going to class itself, unless like for tests and exams.
I was talking to a classmate of yours, like some days back, and then I was talking about I invited Mr. Lahu to podcast, and I was like, "Wait, Mr. Lahu, okay, that guy doesn't attend class."
Oh my God!
Okay, he's like, I school rested. Even the babe self, since that whole incident with that client, I think it was around that period I even broke up because depression was doing me. I'm telling you, I lost weight, and somebody's daughter is asking me why I'm not giving her attention. She was a great girl, shout out to her, but
that was a bad moment for you.
Yeah, I totally understand. Don't worry. Yeah. So, before we go on, I don't know if there's any other question, but like, we want to have a sneak peek of
your account.
Waller.
Let's have a sneak peek of your Forex account.
Which one?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Make I shift mic first.
Okay. I don't have to show the camera now, have you?
No worry. It's just us.
Just viewers, don't worry. Pay for premium, you see it.
Okay, this is so far. All right. Well, let's do
crazy
custom. Or let's change it to almost so you see all the account history.
Yeah.
Network is like shaky here. But this is the current balance.
Oh my God.
Yeah, okay, see it. Don't worry. There's been real life withdrawals. It's not demo. It's not play. Yeah.
This is real money.
It's AI generated images.
Oh my God.
How about you guys? This has money.
It's AI generated images.
Damn.
Talking to you before we started this, but you were talking about other financial assets that you invest in.
Yeah.
Okay. I introduced him as a financial expert.
Yeah,
Sorry. So please, he's not only a Forex trader.
I'm not a trader. I don't wear that trader hat, to be very honest. Trading is like the fastest way. See, I don't know a lot of things, but I know how to make money. She gets. And to me, trading has one of the fastest vehicles
to make money.
Right? So once I make money from trading, next thing is to get the money pregnant. That money has to make me more money. So I and my friend, shout out to Benjamin, and you guys should look for him as well. The sharp guy is one of the baddest stock analysts I know. So we diversify. So we put our money in assets, different asset classes, be it crypto, be it stock, Even ventures self, like sometimes it's good to buy into starting businesses, already existing businesses, buy assets. Honestly, my own personal, I feel like you can never truly be wealthy until you can define wealth for yourself, right? And to me, my definition of wealth is when I can comfortably live off the interests of my interests. So anything I'm making now is capital. So I'll put it in, once the interest comes, can I live on it? Okay, then I'm comfortable. If I reinvest that interest, can I not live on that interest? Okay, then I'm wealthy. So
that's not just so nice capital.
It's getting me there. It's capital. But you know, to some people, this is just a watch, oh.
Actually, I mean, where your ceiling starts, that's someone else's
honestly.
floor.
So
what do you think about buying all these flashy items and phones and everything?
Everybody knows what they are looking for now.
Okay, final words to the audience.
Yeah.
Any final words to the audience?
Like I said earlier, avoid shiny object syndrome. Nobody's your father. You don't have to impress anybody. Impress yourself first. And yeah, that's it. That's what I have to say, honestly.
All right, guys, you have heard it from Mr. Lahu. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We're going to put everything about him in the description. Guys,
I've seen
trade wisely.